Presenting to you today the very much anticipated Volkswagen Golf 8 in the full R trim. We're incredibly proud to have this vehicle arrive to us here at Crewe Volkswagen, and I think you'll agree straight away the vehicle looks absolutely stunning. This particular model develops 320 PS and finished in the exclusive Lapiz Blue Metallic paintwork. The vehicle comes with a number of upgrades as well, such as these diamond cut alloy wheels with the front ventilated discs as well. But the vehicle also features a full panoramic sunroof, which is ideal for the summer days. Obviously not today, it was a little bit wet, but I think you'll agree the vehicle looks absolutely stunning, and the sporty looks are further enhanced by the privacy glass all around the vehicle, as well as the extended rear spoiler. This is a brand new vehicle and will come with a minimum of 3-year warranty and 1 year's worth of roadside assistance. The new Golf 8R still maintains the quad exhaust. That is a signature look that we're very much never going to change. The hatchback of the vehicle is still very practical, and the boot space provides plenty of space up to 3 large suitcases. There's also the option of a 60-40 split for more space, and underneath there's a variable boot floor if you need more space in the vehicle as well. Rear passengers will be very happy with comfortable seating for 3. There's also a center armrest in the back, as well as their own independent climate control system to keep them happy, cold and warm for whatever the weather, and obviously the panoramic sunroof will lend plenty of ambient light into the cabin. At the front, the driver and the passenger will be very happy with a very smart cabin, as well as an upgraded sports steering wheel, and these blue tone R-stitched single piece seats are absolutely gorgeous to look at. The driver will benefit from a newly designed sports steering wheel and haptic touch control buttons. The driver's digital display can be fully controlled and personalized to individual needs, displaying various key information throughout the vehicle, adaptive cruise control system, as well as even full satellite navigation can be displayed from that screen as well. Audio controls at your fingertips are also available throughout the vehicle as well, and there's even now a heated steering wheel available with the vehicle as well. Also, paddle shifters have been introduced with the vehicle as well for even quicker swift changing. The 10-inch touchscreen will have everything you want at your fingertips as well, such as full Bluetooth telephony for your phone. Radio will come with AM, FM and DAB connectivity with additional media streaming for any additional services you would like. Full satellite navigation is available for UK and Europe with the vehicle as well, and it's smart and easy to use, as well as App Connect, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto features in this vehicle. There's further 30 color ambient light pack available. Just whatever the mood suits you, you can change and optimize or even choose your very own color with this vehicle. And there's also a number of active safety systems such as side scan, lane keeping system and road sign recognition. The vehicle also comes with a 2-zone climate control system, which can be operated via the screen or the haptic touch on the go as well. The vehicle will feature a driver's display selection for the drive, and this vehicle features the optional dynamic chassis control, which is included with the vehicle as well. On top of that, there's a wireless phone charger for your vehicle and 2 USB chargers, and to help you park, front and rear sensors are available. If you want to know more on this brand new Golf 8R, please contact our sales team on 01270 50 70 50. Thanks for watching.